Is your clothes pretty?
Yeah.
Who made your clothes?
Give me a kiss, Mommy. You fixed my clothes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is Mommy a good sewer? Yeah. Is amazing?
Yeah. And that's it.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's my paint. It's my paint to dress.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it? Show me you dancing.
See?
Yeah, show me some more dancing.
I want to wash my hair. Mama, please.
You like dancing?
Yeah.
Look, here comes Snowman.
Kira, what are you doing to the baby doll?
It's no snowman.
You can't wear them.
Please.
We're getting these little girls something.